Hello, a very good morning to everyone. Once again, I welcome to everyone. Yesterday, we have already finished up to question number 4, 3.2. Today, we are going to start question number 5, exercise 3.2. Read the statement. Half the perimeter of a rectangle. So, we have given. It means a rectangle is given. Okay, rectangle is a given. A rectangle, half the perimeter of a rectangle, comma, whose length is 4 meter more than width. It means if length is 10, so width is 6. Because how much more than? 4 meter more than. But it is 4 meter more than given. Maybe length is 5 meter. It is 1 meter. Because number is not given. Okay. But one thing is given. Length is 4 meter more than width. Okay. So it means length is x and it is y. Because we are studying here linear equation in 2 variable, and one more thing is given, comma. So it is given half the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. Dimensions mean dear, find the length and breadth. So first we will consider let length of garden. How much? Length of garden is x. Understand it? And next is breadth of garden. Breadth of garden. How much? It is y. Because we are studying chapter which one? Linear equation in 2 variable. That's why we take a 2 variable. Okay. Next is according to question. According to question, now we will make the equations. Okay. Half the perimeter. First we will find what is perimeter of rectangle. Rectangle perimeter 2 into length plus breadth. Isn't it? Do you understand it? Yes, it is the perimeter. But how much perimeter? Half the perimeter. That means divide by 2 is 36 equal to 36. 2 cancel 2. So it is how much? X plus y equal to 36. Understand? It is the first equation. So you write according to question 2 into x plus y. It is perimeter. But how much perimeter? Half. Mean divide by 2 equal to 36. 2 cancel by 2. So what is remain? It is become x plus y equal to 36. Equation number 1. Understand it? Next is dear. What is? Second equation is given. Whose length is 4 meter more than width. It means x is equal to 4 meter more than whose? Its width. So x equal to 4 plus y. X is length. Length is 4 meter more than. More than mean plus. So 4 plus y. It is second equation. So you can write x. Otherwise you can write direct y another side minus. So x minus y equal to 4. Yes, what is meaning? If length is 4 meter more than width, it means the difference of length minus breadth is 4. Understand it or not? You can take dear. You can take if you want to ask, sir, why you are taking length is x? We are not taking length is y. You can take y and it is x. If you will take y is length, so what will write? Because who is more? Length. तो more minus less equal to 4. It is second equation. Understand? But we have already taken it is x, it is y. So it is your second equation. Now dear, find the dimension of the garden. Dimension means find length and breadth. So we want to find length and breadth. So how will we find? So it means we have to think two number when we will put in both equation and these are satisfy the both the equation. It means we have to find the solution of these equations. Solution. And we have already learned in many questions by graphically we can find their solution. So how will you find by solution? So first we will find their solution. So first equation, solution x plus y equal to 36. Otherwise you can write first equation dear, x equal to y another side minus 36 minus y. So you can write its solution. So we will write its solution. Look at, put any value of y and find value of x. It's very simple. Or you can put any value of x. If x is 0, if x is 0 in first equation, either you can put here or you can put here. If x is 0, so y is how much? Y is 36. Understand it? Next is here, if what value you will put, you can put in place of y any value or in place of x also. If you will put x is how much? Suppose y we will put how? Any number you can put. If y is 16, if y is 16, 36 minus 16 how much? It is 20. Any number you can put. Okay. Next is x is suppose y is suppose 20. Y is 20. 36 minus 20, it is 16. It is very simple dear. Understand it? Now you will find solution of second equation. We will find solution of second equation. Look at second equation is x equal to y, here is minus, y another side positive. So 4 plus y. So you can find, you can write here x and y. There is a space problem, that's why I am writing here. Okay. So x equal to y plus 4. It means y is 0. If y is 0, so how much? Y is 0, so x is 4. If y is 8, so y plus y is 8. Y 4 plus 8, it is 12. If y is 12, 12 plus 4, 16. We try it here, all the right in multiplication of 4. Because if you will draw in graph, it is easy to show in graph. Otherwise, you can take any number you can put and put any number of x, find value of y, or put any value of y, find value of x. Now we will draw in graph dear. Look at. It is y, it is x-axis. What is x? X is length. So what is? We observe that all are the multiply of 4, 4, 4. So you can write on here, you can take, it is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 33, 36. Because we observed that value are 0, 20, 16. There is a very large number. Therefore, we take on the gap of 4, 4, 4. Okay. "12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32 and 36. Now we will show on graph. First is x is 0, y is 36. X is 0 always on y axis, so it is 0.036. Next is x is 20. It is x is 20. Y is 16. Y is it is 16. So where these are meet? They are meet here. So it means x is 20, y is 16. 20, 16. Next is 16, 20. X is 16. It is 16. Y is 20. So it is. So this is the point. 16, 20. So it is the graph of the first equation. You have to make with scales, understand it? And I have already told you the graph of the linear equation is always a straight line. You can check it, it is a straight line. Next is, now we will draw the solution of second equation on graph. X is 4, y is 0. So it is point. It is 4, 0. 12, 8. It is 12. It is 8. 12, 8. Next is 16, 12. It is 16 and it is 12. So you can draw. So now we will join all these 3 points and extend this line. Yes. So we have to find their dimension. So it means we have to find their common solution. So where is common solution? Where these two lines are cut each other. So here these lines are cut. So it is a common solution. Common solution means it is x, it is y. So what is x? X is length. Length is 20. Breadth is 16. You can check it. Whose length is 4 meter more than. So length is more than 4. So you can write one line. It can observe. It can be observed from graph. Lines are intersecting at point 20 and 16. So therefore length is 20 meter and breadth is 16 meter. So this should be satisfied, this point, because this is solution of the both of the equation. So you can check it. First equation, 20 plus 16. 20 plus 16, 36. Yes, our answer is right. 20 and 16. 20 minus 16, 4. Yes, so it means our answer is right. If solution is satisfied both of the equation, it means our answer is right. Understand? Now next question. I think you have already understand it. Now next question number 6. Now question number 6. Given the linear equation, we have given a one equation, 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. It is a linear equation. Yes. Write another linear equation. We have to write one more linear equation, and which will also in two variables. In two variables, such that it is meaning such that the geometrical representation. We already know there is a two type of representation: geometrical representation and graphically representation. Graphically representation we have already learned. Now with geometrical representation also we have already finished. Now geometrical representation of the pairs of form is intersecting line. So we have to write dear one more equation, and when we check these two equations, then they are become intersecting line. So first you should know what is condition for intersecting line. So we'll write, we know the condition. We know the condition for intersecting line. For intersecting line. So what is condition for intersecting line? A1 divided by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Understand it? Understand or not? Now we will write any equation dear. So write. So you can write equation, any equation. A1 is how much? A1 is given. A1 is coefficient of x. So 2 upon any number you can take. Any number, whatever in your mind, you can write 2 upon 5. So you will write second equation. So you write equation is, so you will write, what will write? A1 by A2. So A2 what you took? 5. So you write 5x. Now it's not be equal to, what is? B1 by B2. B1 is how much? It is 3. So they should be not be equal. Now you can write in any number in place of B2, whatever you think. Suppose we are 4. So 5x plus 4y. In place of it is C1 and C2, you can write any number, whatever you think, minus 10 equal to 0. So it means first equation this one and second equation this one. So 2 by 5 is not equal to 3 by 4 because this condition for intersecting line. So 2 by 5 not equal to 3 by 4. So what is equation? So 5x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0. Like this one you can write dear infinite example. How many you can write? Infinite. One more you can write again. 2 upon any number 8 is not equal to 2 upon 8, 1 upon 4. Now next is not equal to B1 by B, 3 upon 12. Now 12 you cannot take because 2 upon 8, 1 upon 4. It is also 1 upon 4. So they are equal. They are not. So therefore, in place of 12, you have to take a different number. 3 upon 10 you can take. Yes, it is right. 2 upon 8, 1 upon 4, 3 by 10. They are not equal. Understand? One more thing always. If they are equal dear, if any number are equal, 3 upon 6. If they are equal, how will we check it? We will do the cross multiply. 6 into 2, 12 equal to 4 into 3, 12. Yes, they are equal. It means you can check like this one. Okay. 10 into 2, 10 into 2, 20. 8 into 3, 24. It means they are not equal. 4 into 2, 8. 5 into 3, 15. It means they are not equal. Like this one, you can check it. Okay. Now, second part, dear. What is second part? Parallel lines. Parallel lines. Parallel lines. So first you should know the condition for parallel lines. What is? So we will write. We know the condition. We know the condition for parallel line. What is? Condition for parallel lines. What is? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal not equal to C1 by C2. So now you have to think dear, A2 and B2 such number when we take their number, their ratio should be equal. So what is A1 dear? To write, you can write equation is, what is equation? So equation is what is 2 upon, so what is A1? A1 is 2, any number. So any number you can take. 2 upon, suppose we are taking 2 upon 6. So it is, what is A2? In place of A2 is 6x plus, but we have to take A1 by A2 and equal to B1 and B2 ratio are equal. So it's mean what is B1? 3. So what number you will take in place of B2? Then ratio should be equal. So 2 by 6. 2 by 6 mean 1 by 3. So what number? So it is 9. 3 1s are 1, 3 3s are. Because it is 3 times. 2 3s are 6. So 3 3s are 9. Then it is become ratio are equal. Otherwise you can check 9 to 2, 18. 6 into 3, 18. Now not equal C1 and C2. So now 9y. And what is C1 minus 8. So it means what number we will not take except only one number, because what is the ratio? 3 by 9. 3 by 9 mean 1 by 3. So what should be ratio? Note. Negative, negative, positive. 8 1s are 8. 8 3s are. Again it is become 1 by 3. So minus 24 we cannot take. Except minus 23, 24 you can take any number. What number? 10 you can take. It's enough. Because minus 8 by 10, it is negative number, it is positive. They will never become equal. So you can write it is 10 plus 10 equal to 0. So it is second equation. Same as it is third part you will do yourself. Coincident line. For coincident line, what is condition for coincident line? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. You have to think yourself. Understand it? Now last question of this exercise, 7th question. Look at now 7th question. Now last question of exercise 3.2. We have given, draw the graphs of the equations. We have given two equations. First is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. We have given two equations. So we have to draw their graph. So first we will draw the graph of these equations. Okay. And if you want to draw the graph of these equations, what we will do? First we will find their solution, x and y. Yes, you can write, you can modify the equation, x minus y another side positive, 1 another side negative. So it is become x equal to y minus 1. One time we will put x is 0, one time y is 0. If y is 0, so 0. X equal to how much? 0 minus 1. So it is minus 1. Now x. Now y is 2. If y is 2, so 2 minus 1, x is 1. If y is 3, 3 minus 1, x is 2. So you can find their solution. We have already finished many questions. Same as it is second equation. 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Always if you want to find solution, what we will do? One side we will keep x and one side y. 2y another side minus 2y. And minus 12 another side positive. Okay. Now if y is 0, 2 into 0, 0. 3x equal to 12. 3 another side divide. So x is 4. Now you can put x is 0. If x is 0, 3 into 0, 0. So 12 equal to minus 2y. 2y another side positive 12. So divide 2 cut by 6. So how much y? Y is 6. Now we put x is 2. If x is 2 or y is 3. Y is 3. 2 into 3, 6. 12 minus 6. 3x, 12 minus 6, 6. So 3 cancel. 2. So how much x? X is 2. Now we will draw in graph. So it is x-axis, it is y-axis. First equation, x is -1, y is 0. Y 0 always on x-axis. So this is the point, -1, 0. Next is x is 1, y is 2. It is x is 1 and y is 2. Where these are meet? Here. So it is 1 and 2. Next is x is 2, y is 3. It is x is 2, y is 3. And we draw the lines. But you will make the graph by using a pencil and scales. Next is x is 4, y is 0. Y is 0 always on x-axis. So it is 4, 0. Next is x is 0, y is 6. It is x is 0, x is y is 6. Next is 2, 3. So this is the point, and we join these lines. So we observe that these two lines intersect each other at 2 and 3. Now we will learn. Now we will see next line. Determine mean find. Find the coordinate. Coordinate mean dear x coordinate, y coordinate. So we have to find the coordinate. Whose coordinate? Coordinate of the vertices. Vertices mean this point is called vertex. Okay. So we have to find the coordinate of the vertices. Whose vertices? Vertices of the triangle. Everyone know, if you want to make any triangle, how many vertices? There is a 3 vertex. 1, 2, 3. We have to find their coordinate, their x and y. It is x and y we have to find. It's xy and it's xy we have to find. Vertices of the triangle. And now we have to check it. Triangle formed. So triangle is formed by which one? By these line. The triangle is made by these line and the x-axis. You have to find a triangle which is made by these two lines and the x-axis. So we observe that it is x-axis, yes, and there are the two lines, one this one, one this one. So it is a triangle. Understand or not? Understand? And shade it the triangular region. You have to shade it. So you can shade it the triangular region. It is. So shade it like this one. So it is a triangle. So you will write it can be observed by the figure, by the graph or figure, by the figure, the vertices of triangle are. So which one is vertices? First is 2, 3, comma. Next is -1, 0, and third one is 4, 0. So it is your answer. Understand? Only you have to check. Determine, find the coordinate whose of the triangle. So it is a triangle and this triangle is formed by these line and x-axis. So it is x-axis and these two lines. So our second exercise of third chapter is also has been finished. I hope you understand easily, and if you have any problem, ask me anytime. Okay. In the next class we will start exercise 3.3. Till now we have already learned only what? We have already learned how to find the solution by graphically. But in next class we will learn no need to draw the graphs. We will direct solve these equations by algebraically. These called algebraically. So 3 methods we will learn. One method is graphically. Second method is algebraically. In algebraically we can learn 3 method. You can check it here again. We observe that this is the point, is the common solution, because this point is lying on both of the line. So it means this solution is definitely satisfy both of the equation. Yes, look at x is 2, 2 minus 3, y is 3 plus 1 equal to 0. Yes, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus 3, 0 equal to 0. Yes, satisfy. This solution also satisfy on, because why? Because this point is lies on both of the lines. It means this solution is satisfy both of the lines. Next is 2, 3. 3 into 2, 6 plus 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 minus 12, 0. Yes, it is satisfied. But this point is satisfy only this equation, because this point is only on this line. Because what is solution? Every point on the line, is the solution. But how many common solution? Only one common solution. Common solution means a point which is lying on both of the lines. Understand it? It is very clear, dear, and it is very important chapter also. Okay. Now in next class we will learn how to solve equations by algebraically, and very easy method these are. Okay. So please do the exercise 3.2, and you have to do example also. Example number 4, example number 5, and example number 6. Your homework also. You have to write in your notebook example 4, 5 and 6 also. Understand it? So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.